most efficient way to get your oil change done. First, to slide to the auto parts store. Actually, man, we're only 4 minutes away, so we're gonna slide to the auto parts store. And I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what y'all need to get. We're gonna have her, you know what I'm saying, tell me the direction.
What?
You got this?
Yes.
I'll do it. We got my, you know what I'm saying, my Corral twin up in here. Actually, that might be a big SS. Yes. Yeah, that's a big boy SS right there. I'm a little RS. See, I'll tell y'all about SS. SS stand for super sport, super speedy. Mine stand for RS, which is really slow, real stealthy. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm named Incog. All right, y'all, we're gonna let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, how we looking on direction.
Great.
She ain't even got the thing in her hand. Alright, y'all, we gonna hopefully we get there. Alright, where I gotta go?
I don't see anything. Make a right.
Alright, but where I gotta go?
To the left.
Show these folks where you just took us. Big girl done took us to the goddamn oil change place. We supposed to go to O'Reilly's AutoZone, one of them things.
You said you needed your oil change.
I mean, since we here though, you know what I'm saying, might as well. Oh, I think they closed. Damn. As you can see, we're rocking, cause we rolling. Yeah, we out here at Take 5 Oil. By the way, y'all should sponsor me, hit me up. I didn't say it was gonna be the cheapest way to get oil. I said the easiest and most efficient way to get an oil change. I did. Well, I did say that it is the quickest, it's not the cheapest. Boom. And that's really the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification. Shouts out them. Got my boy, I ain't see his name. Shouts out both these folks. They real good personality, good customer service. Appreciate you for giving me the good direction. You gotta show the camera that we done for that.
I'm trying.
So appreciate the good directions, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, because I can't see. I'm looking at your hand through the thing.
Appreciate you for taking us here, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know where I was going, but I got there. Free. Alright, y'all, so we just got that done, you know what I'm saying? In there, out of there. I say it literally took like, what, 10 minutes? That's quicker than you did your oil change, for real. Anyway, y'all probably get on me for like not changing my own oil, but you know, sometimes you don't want to do it. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to do it. But yeah, and I got a free car wash. Where's that? I got 2 free car washes. So if anybody needs a car wash, if anybody needs a car wash, don't hit me up because it's probably gonna be gone. So yeah. Did the like go quick. Get the video the 15 likes, man. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that to a post notification, and I'll catch y'all next video. I got you one to get you one. Me and got you one, you better get you one. Cause I got me one. Get yours. I forgot. But yeah. We got a Camaro, bro, you know what I'm saying? Building.
Where? Oh.
Yeah, RS brother, for real. Alright, y'all, we out there though. I thought I was playing when I said I needed to drop a video today. Well, I didn't say that. But the reason why I'm dead that video, kinda need to drop a video today. But yeah, we finna go ahead and edit it more. We finna drop that bit same day. What's today? 9/17. It's gonna be live at 9/17 at like 9:15. 9 o'clock. Alright, y'all, we gonna catch y'all. For real. Enjoy this. Yeah, I'm out. For you. You got anything you wanna say?
Free. Either got you one or get you one.